Hi everybody, my name is Marissa Lelly. I'm from Naples, Florida. I decided to take this class because I'm going to be applying to PA school in the spring, and this is a prerequisite for some of the programs that I'm applying to. I went to my undergrad for 2 years at University of Central Florida, which is in Orlando, and then my junior year I transferred to the University of Florida because I wanted to go to their health science program. It's in Gainesville. I really loved it there, and I'm really hoping to go to PA school there, so we'll see what happens. Right now, I'm living in Naples, as I said, and I'm with my family, which is nice. It's in South Florida. I'm working at a hospital nearby as a patient care tech, which is very rewarding and also a lot of work, as much of you probably know. I'm getting a ton of experience, and especially in geriatrics, because a lot of older people live here, which is cool because I see a lot of dementia and CHF and stuff like that, but I think I'm ready for a change soon. So, Naples is a beautiful place to live. A little bit more about where I live. There's lots of beaches, so if you're wanting to go on vacation, you've never been here, it's really a great place to come. It's very relaxing. On the weekends, me and my family, we like to go on the boat and do paddleboarding and stuff like that. Lots of water sports options. I also do volunteering in this area at a neighborhood health clinic. So what I do is I'm a lab tech and I take blood and do lab tests and stuff like that for like the underserved population. It's really cool because it's our season right now. From November to May, we're super busy, so I get to meet a lot of different people. Recently, I've also been trying to shadow PAs in different areas just to see what kind of field I like. I'm not really sure what I want to go into yet, but a lot of people say you figure that out in your clinical year in PA school, so we'll see about that. Some of my favorite things to do when I'm not working on that stuff are art, and I like to cook and to bake. I like to meal prep because I like to be a super routine person. I like to have my stuff ready for the week, so I do that on the weekends when I'm not working weekends. Art is kind of like a de-stressor for me, so I like to paint and draw in my free time. Just gives me something relaxing to do. Something I really want to do that a lot of you talked about in your videos is some traveling. I want to do international traveling as well as some traveling in the United States. So if you guys have any recommendations or suggestions for your favorite places, I would love to hear them. My parents did give me a trip to Italy for my graduation, but sadly I have not had the time to take it or to even get my passport. So hopefully after all the admissions processes and interviews, I will have time to go on a little vacation. But yeah, I'm really excited for this semester with you guys, and if any of you guys want to share information or talk about PA school together, I would love to do that. Bye.